Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have Discover 100. This machine is having a severe clutch issue. We have no clue what's happening inside the engine because the clutch is getting really stuck. I mean, the clutch is not getting disengaged. It happens while riding. It's my friend's bike, and it happened one or two times with him while riding, and he got scared. The thing is that the clutch lever is really stuck. If you see, the clutch lever is really hard. It's not even moving. I mean, it's really stuck. It seems like something happening with the clutch release bearing or clutch push rod. We have no clue. So for that we have to open up the engine and open up the clutch to see what's really happening and what the issue with the clutch. So let's quickly start the video and open up the clutch cover and clutch. So if you're coming here for the very first time, I suggest please consider subscribing to my channel and like and share my content if you really liked it. So thanks for watching guys, and let's start the video. This is how you unscrew the clutch nut. You have to always use the original socket for the nut, and in this case in Bajaj Discover 100 it's a reverse nut. See how perfectly it fixes in the socket. So don't use any chisel to unlock this nut. Use genuine sockets. So this was loose. You see, this nut was loose. You have to fix it. So guys, after opening up the clutch cover and the clutch, here I found out that what was the issue with the clutch not working and the gears not working. This sucker, I mean this gear drum start plate came loose because the nut came loose and it protruded outwards and hit the spinning clutch housing, and which in turn got hit and impacted the clutch hub and center, and the clutch hub broke, and that I'll show you in a minute in detail. But here this nut came loose, so that's what created the big issue here with the clutch not working in Bajaj Discover 100. So anyway, we'll just continue with the work. First we have to clean the old gasket surface here with the blade and clean the engine. Then we'll start the clutch assembly and tighten this nut. We'll see. So continue watching, guys. So guys, this is the clutch housing and the clutch system that we removed from the bike, and upon inspection we found out that the clutch drum plate screw came loose and it hit the back of the clutch housing. As you can see here, the mark which shows that the screw hit here. See, luckily the clutch hub seems okay and it has got no damage. It just got the impact. Okay, so that just left a small mark here and here. Other than that, the clutch housing is perfectly fine, so we are going to use this one, not going to replace it. Then coming to the hub and plates. So this is the hub. So this is a clutch plate. The clutch plate seems okay, but some are not in a good condition, so like this one. So you can see that the tear and wear. So we are going to replace that. So just let's keep it aside. So guys, here the clutch hub got some damage. Piece of it came off and broke when the clutch housing hit the clutch hub. As you can see here that it broke one piece here. See, we are going to replace the whole clutch hub and center, because center has also got some scratches here, uneven scratches. So we are not going to take any risk on using those old parts. So we bought the new parts. As you can see here, this is the clutch center and this is the part number over here, and this is the, see, clutch hub, not the part number, and the set of new clutch plates. You can see the part number and the price, 328 rupees. And also we are changing the clutch release bearing, because the old one when we checked got some side play. So we are also replacing the clutch bearing and shifter dock. This is the part number. So let's start with the unboxing. There's a new clutch wheel. So this is a new clutch plate. As you can see here, the clutch plate from the factory itself, from Bajaj, is well lubricated, so we don't need to lubricate. We just need to fix it. Okay, let's start with the clutch assembly. First we'll take the clutch up and hold it like this, and then we'll take one plate from the new clutch plates. And here, if you check closely, you can see writings on the clutch plate like ELT. See, you have to place it upside down, then take a pressure plate. One surface is pretty sharp and the other is rounded, so place the rounded part like this, then do the same process. and then put the clutch center. So this is our clutch assembly, guys. It's complete. So now let's go and fix this in the back. So first we need to tighten this gear selector nut, plate nut actually.
So finally tightening it with the breaker bars to final torque specification.
So we tighten the nut.
Now let's start the clutch assembly, guys. So first we'll fix the oil pump gear.
So everything is fixed. So guys, that was the issue with the clutch. Now that we finally fixed the engine, and now the clutch is working perfectly and it's really smooth. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and share my content, and if you have any suggestion and feedback, do comment down below. Hope this video has been informative for you guys. It's happened without any clues. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in some other video. This is Mithun saying ciao. Bye bye.